Hey everyone, John Henry here, SSFTG. This is going to be the first video of a few to come that are going to be going over, if you couldn't tell by the way the screen looks, a giveaway. This is going to be the first of 4 giveaways that we're going to be doing on our road to the 2,000 subscriber mark. As you can see down here from the little number here, 1.93, we're right around the corner. It's getting closer and closer. And as we near that objective, if you will, we will continue doing these giveaways all the way up like we talked about in the video here. So this giveaway video is what is going to be giving us the comments and all of that fun stuff as we go through and pick who is the first winner. And that will be decided by commentpicker.com. I've never done one of these giveaways before, so this might not even make it to YouTube because it might end up getting deleted. But I'm going to give this a shot here, and what we want to do is we want to take this right here. This is the one that everybody commented on. This is the giveaway time. You do not want to miss this video. Make sure to get your comments in. Take that over here. I'll paste that. Is that right? Yeah, let me paste that in there. Filter duplicate users so we don't have multiple comments. Everything else should be okay. All right, so without further ado, this would be the first giveaway winner right here. All right, let's go over get YouTube comments. Amount of unique comments 12. All right, so let's start and pick a random. Oh! It totally works. Cindy Fernandez. Nice, would love to win. That's perfect. Hey, having a hard time staying consistent with futures. Well, there you go. You are the winner of the giveaway, and that is for the Day Trading Academy. So with that in mind, I'll see what I need to do here to get in touch, and then we will get the coupon over your way, and you should be able to get ready to rock and roll. So with the first raffle out of the way, first off, I want to say congratulations to Cindy Fernandez and welcome to the team. Nice way to get on board, right? And what a comment to get you on board too. Fantastic. So we'll figure out a way to get in touch with you. Otherwise, you can shoot us an email, jhb@ssftg.com. Yeah, we can go from there and get the coupon code over your way, and then we can rock and roll. For the rest of you, remember, this is only the first giveaway of 4 on our road to 2,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, you best subscribe because that just saves Cindy $300 right there. And if she wins again, which part of the rules, that can happen, that might just save her $1,000 going up to VIP. Hey, you never know, right? So as we end off this video, again, if you haven't gotten your comments in, make sure to go over to the giveaway video, get your comments in so you can be chosen at random, like we did here. I'm glad it worked. And then maybe you can be the next winner. Until the next one, have a great one, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks.